Hi guys, Julian back here. You remember those times when your mom was asking you to clean up your room or your desk once again? Turns out it was not just to annoy you. Studies show that removing clutter from our lives actually increases concentration and removes stress from our lives. And just like your physical space, the setup of your phone's home screen will have a similar effect on the mind. Look, you'll unlock your phone up to 50, 100, or even 150 times a day. And your home screen will be the first thing you see every time. Imagine walking into a messy room 100 times a day. That'd be an absolute nightmare. And most of the home screens today are just one big messy pile of apps with unnecessary feeds or just big time wasters. We instead suggest a more minimalist and decluttered setup of your home screen. And here's a few things that you can start with today. So first thing is tools, not feeds, which means that you can keep what we call the in and out apps. Apps that you can go in for a very specific task or very specific intention and usually go out right after. All those other apps with a scrollable, endless feed should move to the second or even third page of your smartphone. And try to be really picky about the ones that stay on your home screen. So okay, now that you've set up your home screen, the second thing you should do is bundle in folders. Why? Because one, it will look much tidier on your phone. But secondly, it also removes a lot of the visual stimulation of those individual shiny app icons. And lastly, what we also suggest is that you use the pull-down search function, which is a much more intentional way of opening an app than relying on that swipe muscle memory. Alright, and the last thing we suggest is to do a background check of your home screen. That means instead of picking a very screamy or noisy background image for your home screen, try to go for a more soothing or calming alternative instead. You can download a bunch of free ones online or just pick a recent landscape picture or holiday picture that's on your camera roll on your phone. Look, that was it, and remember, in the digital age we'll be always constantly bombarded with noise and clutter. Setting up your more minimalist home screen is just a great, easy way of introducing a bit more calmness to our screen time. So go ahead, start decluttering, because it turns out that sometimes less is much, much more. Thank you for watching.